Can you have a product that cleans chrome wheels, smells good, and gets rid of all that powdery brake dust off almost instantly? Today, we're going to talk about it. My name's Eben, your oil and lubricant specialist. Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. Today, we're talking about the Tire Wheel Cleaner. I spray this right on the outside of the tires, on the chrome wheels. I get out my wash and brush, wipe it down. Takes me about a minute per wheel. This really makes it simple. It's not greasy. It doesn't have a chemically smell. It smells actually really refreshing. It's truly one of my favorite new car care cleaner products that AMSOIL came out with. I really want you to give it a try, and I'd like you to leave a comment down below if you had a chance to try this, if you have any questions on it. I'd like you to order it immediately right through syntheticoilprotection.net. That'll allow me to be your independent AMSOIL dealer, so I can answer all your other questions on all these high quality car care cleaning products. Check out this next video right here on Synthetic Oil Protection, 24 days of AMSOIL protection. Check it out.